Hello viewers. If you are Scorpio, this week may quietly bring something to the surface that you have been trying not to look at too closely, not in a dramatic way, not all at once, but in those small reflective moments where your mind slows down and something feels slightly off. Like there's a truth within the surface that you have been overlooked, and as we move into the first day of May, from the first to fifth, there's a stubborn emotional shift happening within you, especially if you're sun sign or moon sign of Scorpio, where things may appear stable on the outside, but internally there is a sense of mental fatigue, a bit of overthinking, and perhaps even a quite emotional distance from the people or situation that once feels certain. And you might find yourself asking, when did this start to feel different, and why am I only noticing it now? Because with the sun currently activating your relationship spectrum, there's a focus on how you connect with others, how much you give, and whether that energy is being returned in a way that feels fair or balanced. And at the same time, the most movement or more introspective space in your chart may bring moments where you just want to step back even if you don't fully understand why. And this is not an isolation in a negative sense, it's more about your mind needing space to process things that have not been fully acknowledged yet, especially with Saturn placing a steady pressure on your emotional foundation, asking you to be honest about what feels heavy, what feels unresolved, and what you may have been quietly carrying for longer than you realize. And when you are bring Rahul into the picture, there's also the slight sense of confusion or distraction, particularly around daily routine or responsibility, where you might feel like you're doing a lot but not necessarily feeling satisfied or settled with it. Almost like something is missing, but you can't quite define what is it. And Mars, being one of your ruling planet, is influencing your deeper emotional layer this week. Can you bring a bit of internal restlessness, not outward conflict, but more of push within you to comfort things? Have you been avoiding? You have been avoiding that could relate to relationship, finance, or even your own expectation of yourself. So, if you have been feeling a bit more withdrawn, a bit more thoughtful, or even slightly disconnected, this is not without reason. And you are not the only one going through this, because this week is less about external action and more about internal clarity. And when it's come to your financial situation, there's a strong indication that you are becoming more aware of your spending pattern, your obligations, and perhaps a quiet pressure related to bills or upcoming expenses. And it's not necessarily a crisis, but it does require attention, especially if there's been an impulsive decision recently or a tendency to avoid looking at all the full picture. And this is where a more concessions grounded approach will rarely spot because there are opportunities to stabilize things, to create better sense of control, but they won't come from rushing or reacting quickly. They'll come from slowing down, reviewing and making small consistent adjustment. If you've been thinking about making a financial decision, whether it's an investment, a purchase, or even leading money, this may not be the strongest time to act impulsively. Instead, giving yourself a bit more time to think it through, especially around the uh, second or third of the May, which may feel slightly heavier mentally or emotionally. And you might notice that your energy dips a bit or your patient feels thinner than usual. And that's not a sign to push harder. It's actually a sign to pause, to rest, and to avoid making any major decision in that moment. But clarity tends to return as we move closer to fourth or fifth, whether things start to feel a bit lighter, a bit more manageable. And when it's come to your relationship, whether that's romantic, family, or close friendship, there's a stubborn theme of emotional distance or unspoken tension. And it's not necessarily about conflict, but more about what is not being said, what being felt but not expressed. And you might notice that communication feels slightly off, so that someone close to you seems a bit withdrawn, and your natural instinct might be the ether. pull back or overanalyze the situation, but this week is asking for a more balanced approach when you acknowledge what you are feeling without immediately reacting to it. And if there's an opportunity of the calm, honest conversation, especially later in this week, this could bring a sense of relief or understanding. But it's important that it's come from a grounded place rather than a reactive one. In terms of family dynamics, there may expectations or responsibilities that feel a bit more heavier than usual. And you might feel like you're carrying more than you share, or that your efforts are not being fully recognized. And while that can be frustrating, it's also an opportunity to set clear boundaries, not in a confrontational way, but in a quiet, firm way that protects your energy without creating unnecessary tension. And when you look at your overall emotional state this week, there's a depth it too that's quite significant because you're not reaching what's happening now, you're also processing things from the past, things that may not have been fully resolved or understood at the same time. And this is where there's feeling of a quiet shift because more noticeable, because it's not about a single event, it's about a gradual realization that something within you is changing, your perspective, your priority, or even your tolerance of certain situations. And that can feel unsettling at first, but it's also a sign of growth, even if it doesn't feel comfortable in that moment. So if you find yourself reflecting more, questioning more, or even pulling back slightly from certain people or situations, trying not to see it as a negative. It's your mind and emotion trying to recalibrate, trying to find a more authentic alignment in terms of practical guidance of this week. It would be helpful to focus on small manageable actions rather than trying to solve everything at once, whether that's organize your finance, setting up boundaries, or simply taking the time to reset and avoiding impulsive decision is particularly important, especially when it's when emotional feels slightly highlighted or unclear, or if there's something you have been putting off, something that requires your attention but not necessarily immediate action. Consider addressing it gently rather than ignoring it completely, because that sense of avoidance can sometimes add to the underlying stress. And if you have been feeling mentally tired or emotionally drained, giving yourself permission to slow down is not a weakness. It's actually the most practical thing you can do right now. And you might also find it helpful to check in with yourself regularly, even in a small way, asking simple questions like, what am I actually feeling right now? And does this sound familiar to you? The sense of something being slightly out of place, even if everything looks fire on the surface. And if it does, then this week is less about fixing and more about understanding, less about pushing forward, more about aligning yourself with what feels real and sustainable. And as you move toward the end of this period, there's a gentle sense of clarity that brings through from not a stubborn break thought, but a quiet understanding that helps you feel a bit more grounded, a bit more control. And that's where the balance between concern and reassurance comes in, because while there is a things to be mindful of, especially around your emotional and financial state, there's also a steady spot in the background that allows you to navigate this with patience and awareness. And that's something you can trust, even if it doesn't feel observed right now. So as you go through these days, trying to stay present, try to stay honest with yourself, and avoid the pressure to have everything figured out immediately, because clarity often comes in layer, not all at once. And by the time of you reach the 5th of the May, you may not have all the awareness, but you will likely feel a bit more settled, a bit more awareness of what needs your attention and what can wait. And that in itself is a meaningful step forward. So if this week feels slightly heavier, more reflective than usual, it doesn't mean you are off track. It simply means you are going deeper on something that's actually where the real progress brings. And if you find these insights helpful and want to stay in tune each week, you're always welcome to follow along at your own pace in your own time. Take care and goodbye.